Jai Sriman Ho Shatrughna, now we have to search for Sita Rama Lakshmana. When Bharata told Shatrughna like that, the Sainyam, some of the army people overheard Bharata saying that, and all those army people started searching here and there for Sita Rama Lakshmana. So they found a smoke coming from a place in that big, huge, dense forest. When those army people found smoke coming from a place, they immediately came back and told Bharata, saying that, "Oh Bharata, look at that. From there smoke is coming. So definitely Sita Rama Lakshmana must be there. Otherwise, someone should be there. If not Sita Rama Lakshmana, or else some rishis must be living over there. Otherwise the smoke won't come from there. So we can go there. If it is not Sita Rama Lakshmana, we can definitely ask those Maharshis about our Sita Rama Lakshmana." That is how some of the army people suggested Bharata. Then Bharata says, entire army should stay here. Nobody should move from here. And entire army should maintain silence. Nobody should be making noise. So now myself, Sumantra, Vasishtha, we three will go there to that place and inquire and find who is there, and then we will come back. Like that, when Bharata said entire army stopped over there, Bharata, Vasishtha, Sumantra, three of them walking towards the place where from the smoke is coming. Sita, Rama, Lakshmana, three of them are living on Chitrakuta Parvatam, the mountain. One day, Rama Lakshmana got up early in the morning, and they concluded all their Sandhyavandanam and everything, and then Ramachandra Swami has taken Sitamma to show entire Chitrakuta Parvatam. Ramachandra Swami wanted to take Sitamma to all the places on Chitrakuta Parvatam, so that Sitamma would feel so much relaxed, so also he would also feel so much relaxed. Now Ramachandra Swami has taken Sitamma and showing, "Oh Sita, look at this Chitrakuta Parvatam. It is looking so beautiful and it is so pleasant. You know what? Even though I came away from all my relatives, all my friends, and also I lost my Rajyam, my kingdom, yet I am not feeling so much of worried. Because of this Chitrakuta, the mountain, the pleasantness here, I kind of forgot every of those things. I don't feel any grief. Oh Sita, look at this mountain. So many varieties of birds, so many varieties of herbs, so many varieties of trees. And also here all kind of wild animals are there on this mountain. But you know what, Sita? Because those wild animals are living along with all great rishis, munis on this mountain, because of the association of great rishis, those wild animals forgot their wildness. They also became so gentle. Such is the power of this Chitrakuta Parvatam. Oh Sita, Devatas also coming here and there, and they are wandering here and there on this Chitrakutam. Do you see that? Oh Sita, some of the divine categorized people like Kinnaras also wandering here and there. There are so many waterfalls, Sita. Look at those waterfalls. And also, Sita, because so many wonderful fragranceful flowers all over on this Chitrakuta mountain, those fragrances coming to our noses like anything. It is giving us so much great feeling, O Sita. That is why I am feeling so much relaxed here. I don't really, the Ayodhya does not come to my mind so often now because of the relaxation I am getting here, O Sita. I think even if we are able to, even if we ended up staying years together, we will be doing okay here because we don't really feel like going back to Ayodhya. To that extent, this Chitrakutam is giving me so much pleasantness. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.